Start Panda.
Hello, let's start by assembling cover.
Assemble the cover.
Assembling cover and then moving back home, picking it from predefined location.
Give big bolt.
Handing over big bolt.
Give me another big bolt.
Handing over big bolt.
Hand me big bolt.
Handing over big bolt.
Hand me another big bolt.
Handing over big bolt.
Give me the screwdriver.
Handing over screwdriver.
Start Panda.
Hello, in task 2, let's assemble the elbow.
Assemble the elbow.
Assembling elbow and then moving back home.
Start Panda.
Hello, in task 3, I can help you with the pipe.
Pick the pipe.
Picking pipe.
Move 10 centimeters right.
Moving right 10 centimeters.
Move 60 millimeters down.
Moving down 60 millimeters.
Move right.
Moving right 50 millimeters.
Open the gripper.
Opening the gripper.
Move up.
Moving up 50 millimeters.
Move up.
Moving up 50 millimeters.
Start Panda. Give big bolt.
Handing over big bolt.
Hand me another big bolt.
Handing over big bolt.
Give me another big bolt.
Cannot give big bolts as no big bolts were detected or all detected ones handed over.
Start Panda. Give me the Allen key.
Cannot hand over Allen key as it was not detected. Did you mean screwdriver?
Yes.
Handing over screwdriver.
Start Panda. Check the quality please.
Possible quality error. Check if all the bolts are placed.
Start Panda. Do quality check.
Quality check done, it looks okay to me.
Start Panda. Pick the pipe.
Picking pipe.
Stop.
Stopping the robot.
Keep going.
Continuing.
Start Panda. Tell me what to do.
In task 1, I can assemble the cover, give you the big bolts and screwdriver. You need to screw the bolts.